Hey fam, working your full-time job or any job for that matter on the day of vacation, I do not recommend. So yeah, I'm off the clock right now and heading to the cruise port. Yes, I worked on cruise day. Never did this before in my life, but anyway, maybe I'll share an explanation, maybe I won't. Either way, we're now officially starting our vacation. We are cruising from New York City, baby. So we are in the car heading directly to the ship. We don't get to do this often, so we're looking forward to sharing this experience with you. Come along. We are here at the Manhattan Cruise Terminal about to park.
A little bit of conversation, a little bit of relaxation. Across the sea, city to city, come par with me. Tell me when you're ready, ready to leave. With my cruising family, across the skies and sea. Come and par with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me? And this cruising family, my cruising family.
Hey Norwegian Aqua! Of course we already checked in online weeks ago, but this is where travel documents, photos, and all that jazz are verified at the cruise terminal. Then one of the best parts of embarkation day, walking onto our ship. It's time to get on board the Norwegian Aqua. The Norwegian Aqua will be our home for the next 5 days. Let's go! It's a very calm and peaceful entry onto the ship. Let's just say that. It's very quiet walking onto the ship, which is nothing wrong with that. We're on vacation. Our room is on deck 5. Right now we're on deck 6, so we can go down one flight of stairs or wait for the elevator. On embarkation day, I say let's do the stairs. Typically on embarkation day, elevators are hard to come by, so having a room on a deck that's walkable from where you enter the ship may come in handy.
It's a very spacious hall.
Yes, it's a very spacious hallway.
No, then they better give me a credit. I paid for not inside. Now you don't even have the face.
If you haven't already watched our room tour video, you should probably do so now and then come on back. Thank you. Hey guys! Alright. You know where to go, so mommy can do a room tour. After completing the room tour, I head to deck 8 for lunch. Is it actually open? Oh, Indulge is through the local. Okay. So we're looking for Indulge food hall and we're realizing it's through the local. We could actually just stop here and eat. Ay. Options. Wash hands. Indulge food hall for, well, my first meal on board. The boys actually went to the buffet upstairs on deck. What floor? What deck?
17.
17. The boys went upstairs to deck 17 to the buffet while I was doing the room tour. But now it's my turn to eat and I'm at Indulge food hall on deck 8, right? This is 8? Yeah, deck 8. Let's see what they have here. I feel like I want something with soup, believe it or not. Even though it's hot. Noodles lunch. Ooh, Indonesian noodle soup. Family, take a look at these options on the Indulge Food Hall tablet and let us know in the comments what you'd be having for lunch here. I won't lie to you, I kind of want a little bit of everything, but let's take it easy. It's just the first day. Thank you. We just got more cups of water. I just learned from one of the waitresses here at Indulge Food Hall that we do not order our sodas or drinks on the tablet. you let one of them know and they can bring it. Or if you just get soda like what the boys want, what I want right now, honestly, I need a ginger ale. It's my first meal of the day and it's like 2 p.m. So you can order from the waitress or waiter, or you can go to the soda machine if that's all you're gonna get. You have to scan your key card, of course. It is hot.
What is it?
The noodle soup was on the order. Go back to the soup list, you'll see it. With the noodles list, it's the only soup on the noodles list. Indonesian noodle soup. Everything so far is delicious.
Because I know she was supposed
Look at this. It's pretty.
looks like a pizza.
It does.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the Norwegian Aqua. This is Lori, your assistant cruise director, with some important information to help you start your journey smoothly. All guests must visit their assigned assembly station to check in for the mandatory safety briefing. Your master station is listed on the bottom right corner of your guest key card. If you haven't checked in yet, please do so now.
We just did muster check-in. Muster check-in, thank you. From Muster Check-In, we head to Splash Academy to register our boys for Kids Club and Teens Club. Note that you can register all your children in one spot, even if your children are in different age groups and will be in different camp locations throughout the cruise. On embarkation day, Splash Academy can register all kids, but when camp actually starts, they'll go to their respective locations based on age. Boys, you want to go to Sail Away?
I would not.
Not, huh? You want to stay here? Thank you. It's just us. We're about to head to the sail away party on deck, what, 17? Pool deck, forward, let's go. This is very nice. All the elevators look like you're out of space. In addition to seeing New York's skyscrapers and the Statue of Liberty, another highlight of a New York City sail away is going under the Verrazano Bridge.
All right, Norwegian Aqua, let them hear that you guys are on vacation! Who's on vacation here? Let's go!
Let's head to the Mandara Spa because I did buy a thermal suite pass. So let's go get that. From the reception desk at the Mandara Spa, I think I'll head to the thermal suite to give you a peek at what I will be in for this cruise. Let's go see. know this is a real quick glimpse, but already I can feel the relaxation seeping in. Okay, I want to go make some dining reservations for the upcoming days, so we're gonna head on out from here. Promise I'll be back. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see when I do actually walk through the entire thermal suite and make good use of it too. Grabbing a couple drinks before heading back to the room. Back in the room from making dinner reservations for this 5-day cruise. However, we're going to a main dining room tonight. Here we are, the Commodore room. This is the main dining room, one of the main dining rooms. If no table is available when you arrive at the Commodore room, you may need to get a buzzer and wait to be called. Family, take a look at this menu and let us know in the comments what you'd order for dinner here at the Commodore room. The kids menu at the Commodore room aboard Norwegian Aqua. Enjoying family time together at the dinner table is one of my favorite parts of cruising. We have sailed away from the hustle and bustle of New York City at least for the next 5 days, and now we're enjoying each other's company at dinner on our cruise. Allan and I have shrimp cake. LJ has ordered from the kids menu. He ordered a hamburger, but they brought a cheeseburger, and they swapped it out really quickly with the hamburger. LJ also ordered tacos. The shrimp cake is good. One thing I can say also, they came out with the quickness. The food was very fast so far. We only had appetizer so far and the kids' main course. I have the shrimp fettuccine Alfredo, and Allan and AJ have each ordered grilled New York strip steak.
The beef is too beefy.
How's the steak, AJ?
Good.
The steak was good. It's no gone.
It's dessert time. LJ has oatmeal raisin cookies and AJ has Jell-O. Allan has the warm chocolate lava cake, no surprise there, and I have a fresh fruit plate. Cookies are good? See? I actually didn't think I'd like oatmeal raisin because I'm not the biggest oatmeal fan, but I actually like them.
That just brought me back to kindergarten when they would serve us oatmeal cookies and sugar cookies for dessert.
Good night, thank you. After sail away, I went to 4 different specialty restaurants to book our dining because for some reason, or I shouldn't say for some reason, Regina, my friend who's also on board, told me that she reached out to Norwegian because our app was not allowing us to book our specialty dining pre-cruise. So we have to actually do it in person on the ship. And I went to 4 different specialty restaurants to book our dining. So make sure you stay tuned to this entire series. Stay tuned to this entire video if this is the movie, because we will be showing you where we go for specialty dining aboard the Norwegian Aqua. Anyway, I made specialty dining reservations, got these yummy drinks that you've seen, and I'm back in the room now. One drink was for Allan, one was for me. I did not drink both of them, okay? But anyway, back in the room now to finish cleaning and unpacking, and we're having a movie day, movie night today, I guess. Movie night tonight, guys.
Yep.
And they're tired.
Hey, I'm not tired.
All right, well,
I'm tired, but I'm not.
Okay, well, we're about to watch some movies. We actually already started. We watched Moana, and now we are watching, what is this?
The Unbreakable Boy.
The Unbreakable Boy. LJ,
Yes.
why'd you choose this movie?
Because it looked interesting.
What was so interesting about it?
The jester hat that he had on.
The what?
The jester hat that he had on.
Oh, the jester hat he had on? All right, cool. Showered in bed and wrapping up day 1 aboard the Norwegian Aqua. We are on some rocky water right now, guys. So I understand that cover on the window now. That doesn't mean I'm happy about it. We still want them to take it off, but we'd rather be safe than sorry. Our room steward told us that they're actually waiting for the captain to give the okay to remove them, and that there are a lot of guests who are complaining and upset about it. So I do get that. And if they keep it on for safety, fine. I just want some money back because this is a family ocean view room. It does not cost the same as a family interior. So just saying. Anyway, it is quite rocky. These are probably the rockiest seas I remember being on, and this is cruise number 25 for me. So been on a few, and this is really rocky. We're on deck 5, and so I believe the ocean swells are making its way up to where the windows are, hence the cover on the window, the storm cover. So there's that. What else did I want to share about this ship? It's a beautiful ship. It's a beautiful ship, but it is hard to navigate. I had to make my way around to make dinner reservations because I missed the central dinner reservation time in the theater. So you can also go directly to the restaurants to make reservations there. And so I did that. But to find the restaurants and the directional maps on the ship, it's a little confusing because the arrows say one way and then I walk that way and then I realize another set of arrows say go back where I was coming from. It's, it's only day 1, so we'll see. Anyway, one of the things that our room steward said when she came to turn the bed down for the boys is that not only are they waiting for the captain to give the okay to remove the storm covers from the window, but she's hopeful that they could do it tomorrow. I mean, I don't know if she was just saying that because I'd be hopeful for that too, or if there's any real possibility it could come off tomorrow. So we'll see, and we'll let you see. As usual, our embarkation day is a little slower than the rest of our days on the cruise because I'm spending a lot of time unpacking and cleaning. You guys don't usually see that, nor do you want to, I don't think. So yeah, we showed you what we did outside of the room, and for now, because of the rocky waters, we're gonna have a movie night, watch some TV, and sleep. We did see 2 events that we would have done. I don't know if we could have done it. If my mom was here and the boys were with her, Allan and I would probably have dipped out, done it, and come back and unpack. But it was 18 or over for the newlywed and not so newlywed game show. Hopefully they have it again and we'll take you along. And then there was a welcome on board party. Both of those were in the theater, but we didn't get to that. In any case, it's all right. You're not gonna get to everything on a cruise. That's one of the cruise lessons you should always keep in front of your mind. But you definitely get to the things that are most important to you. So we're gonna get some rest so we can get to what's most important for us on day 2 and throughout this trip. Thanks for watching.